Hello, my name is Zach. I'm with Discount Lock and Door Services. I'm going to show you how to rekey a standard pinned lock. This is a Schlage keyway lock, and I'm going to change it from this key to this key. You pull the back off, which is held on there by a spin-off cap. Take the cap and the tailpiece off. Have the cord turned. Put a follower in there so that the pins don't drop when you pull the core out. Take those pins that are in there, dump those out. And you're going to put the new Schlage key in there, just like that. You're going to put the pins that correlate to the depths of the key. This one actually has a code written on the side, 79686. So I'll follow that. So 7, 9, 6, 8, and 6. And you can see that it's flush on top. That means you've done it correctly. So you put the core back into the deadbolt here, into the housing. And there it goes, turns smoothly. The old key no longer turns. So, then all you have to do this pin fell out with the spring. All I have to do is put the cap and tailpiece back on. Same way you took it off. Just kind of depress this spring clip here. Twist it all the way on. Until it stops. I like to back it off just a little bit. Test your new key. Make sure it can be pulled out easily. And there you have it. Now you can install your deadbolt back onto the door.